Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 12th of October. The euro has been strengthening, and one day after the S&P downgraded Spain, the worsening economic conditions, rising unemployment and the uncertainty regarding the government's intentions for an official bailout request were the key reasons behind this move. German Finance Minister Schäuble characterised the downgrade as a misunderstanding. He also said that the attitude of the G7 counterparts towards Europe has improved significantly. Negotiations between Greece and the Troika are progressing, and there are hopes an arrangement can be reached before the next Eurozone summit on the 18th of October. The Australian dollar is still rising versus most of its counterparts as a softening labour market and the recent rhetoric by the RBA heightened speculation that the central bank will proceed with another rate cut in November. Silver is rebounding over the past few days versus the US dollar after losing nearly $2 at the beginning of the week. The area at around 33.55 is expected to act as a support level. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 128.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.05. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 78.25. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 102.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.40. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.10. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9805 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9805. Looking at commodities and indices now. The oil pivot point is at 92.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 92.90. The gold pivot point is at 1757 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1757. The silver pivot point is at 33.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 33.70. The US 500 is at 1438 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1438. And the UK 100 is at 5817 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5817. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have the industrial production in August, which is forecast to drop by 0.4%. And in the US, we have the producer price index month on month in September, forecast to rise by 0.7%. And the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment for October forecast to drop to 78. And our interesting pair of the day is the US dollar South African rand. We saw the US dollar has been weakening versus the South African rand after it broke through the 8.60 resistance area on Friday and recorded a 3-year high at 8.9958 on Monday. The trend is still bullish, and this retracement is an excellent opportunity for long positions as the pair approaches the 8.60 level, which is now expected to act as a support. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook for the 12th of October. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.